Dear Diary, today was my first day at work, my first job, in English. I wanted to be perfect, but oh dear diary, everything went wrong. Welcome back, I'm Stasy. Tonight, just notice the little word didn't when I say what I did not do. Listen slowly with me and follow my new life, one page at a time. This morning, I woke up early. I was nervous, very nervous. I walked to the little flower shop on our street. "Good morning," I said. "Mrs. Bell sent me. I am here to help." A tall woman looked at me. Her name was Anna. "Okay," she said. "Let's start. It is a busy day." I smiled, but inside, my heart was loud. The first customer came in. He asked me a question, but he spoke very fast. I didn't understand him. I didn't know what to say. "Do you have red roses?" he asked. I looked and I looked, but I didn't find them. Then I dropped a big box of flowers. Water went everywhere. I am so sorry, I said. My face was red, hot and red. I didn't have a good morning. I didn't give the right flowers. I didn't understand the prices. Did I want to cry? Yes, a little. At lunch, I sat outside, alone, tired. Then Anna came to me. I was scared. Maybe she was angry? But she was not angry. She sat next to me and smiled. "My first day was a disaster too," she said. 40 years ago. "Don't worry. You didn't give up. That is the important thing." So I stayed. I tried again. Slowly, the afternoon was better. I didn't speak perfectly, but I smiled and I helped, and people were kind. At the end of the day, Anna looked at me. "Stasy," she said, "come back tomorrow. There is something important I want to tell you." Something important? Did I do something wrong? Is the job over? I didn't sleep well that night, dear diary. Oh, and on the way home, I took the wrong street and I got lost. But that is tomorrow's page. Thank you for reading page 3 with me. Today was hard. I made many mistakes, but I didn't give up, and that is enough. Good night, dear diary. Good night, my friend.